The second discipline is the discipline of learning. Sa Hosea 4 verse 6, sabi doon, "My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge." Since may habit ka na ng believing, let's say na-establish mo yan, isa sa dapat mong paniwalaan ay ito. Lahat ng bagay sa mundo ay napag-aaralan. Lahat ng bagay pwedeng matutunan. Kung naniniwala kang mayaman ka na, then pumili ka ng domain of wealth creation mo. Pwedeng business, investment, online or offline platform, or any combinations of them. And then pag-aralan mo yung mga yan. Invest time and attention into yourself. And over time, may compounding effect yan. Ang mga matututunan mo dyan, ang learnings mo dyan ay magmumultiply and they will just impact each other. It will become wisdom. Proverbs chapter 2 verse 6 says, "For the Lord gives wisdom, from His mouth comes knowledge and understanding." Para ma-accelerate mo ang discipline of learning, humanap ka ng community na pwede magturo sa iyo ng mga foundational knowledge or content and skills or competence sa isang domain na gusto mong pasukin. If you think you like the community, then join them or give them a try. Pero paano ka nga ba pipili ng magandang business platform na dapat mong pag-aralan? Una sa lahat, tingnan mo, hindi lang ang resulta ng mga tao o leader sa isang domain of wealth creation or business platform na gusto mong pag-aralan. Tingnan mo rin ang kanilang kultura. Kung sa laki lang ng kita ang dahilan ng attraction mo, baka ma-attract ka sa mga big-time drug pushers or bank robbers, di ba? So, hindi po pwedeng yung income lang or mapasama ka sa mga scammers, mga nagdenegosyo daw, pero hindi naman nagiging negosyante, kundi palipat-lipat lang sila ng mga platforms, ng kumpanya o ng opportunities. Pag-aralan mo ang conviction at character ng mga leaders kasabay ng kanilang financial and lifestyle results. For instance, ang Riway as a platform, when it was introduced to me noong October of 2017, feeling ko pare-parehas lang sila ng ibang mga opportunities din. I decided not to actually look into it deeper. However, I learned na ibang-iba siya when it was patiently reintroduced to me by James noong 2019. Then I've learned the story of Rex Bucalao, who made $2 million in 2.5 to 3 years' time. Now that's $100 million in 3 years' time. Less than 3 years actually. And he was a former Uber driver and taxi driver. I learned about the culture and I learned about the possibility of abundance, and I told myself, kahit 10% to 20% lang ang kitain ng isang tao within 3 years' time sa inabot ni Rex, then I think that's worth the possibility. That's worth learning. And hindi pa top earner si Rex noong mga time na yon. Hindi siya kasama doon sa highest ranks, kumbaga. Ang highest rank was actually someone whom Rex actually brought into the company. And that top earner was the one who introduced this to me noong 2017. After learning about that, nag-decide ako na bigyan ito ng 2 months focused attention, attending all events every week from April to June of 2019. Para pag-aralan ko lahat ng dapat kong mapag-aralan about Riway as a business platform. I look at it sa YouTube, I read both the good and the bad, and tinimbang ko. And I really find that, this has a solid track record. And during that time, the more I dive deeper into Riway, the more I believe about what is possible for me. Again, the habit of believing kicks in. And I told myself, I'm willing to invest, the next 2 years of my life or more just to be able to reach the same financial destination in Rex Bucalao or even come close to that. So nag-hangout ako sa mga tao, sa mga leaders who are already having the results. Gusto kong mahawa ng gusto sa kanilang mga beliefs. At para din ma-share ko sa iba yung mga testimonies nila. I can tell my story to other people. So by being with these people in the community of individuals who already live the life that I want, then I can borrow strength, knowledge, and skills. Nakikita ko sa kanila ang destiny ng isang dimension ng buhay ko. So nag-invest ako ng time and attention to learn their ways. And as I always tell those that I mentor, invest into the wisdom of your destiny. Ang puhunan mo talaga sa negosyo is time, attention, and effort. If you believe that you are going to be an entrepreneur, then go learn how the system works. Go learn the fundamentals of the trade and the business. dun mismo sa mga taong may na-achieve na. And once na na-master mo ang fundamentals at na-grasp mo ang basics, then feel free to add a little bit of your own style and experiment some other strategies to accelerate as you go and as you grow. Proverbs 19 verse 8 says, "He who gets wisdom loves his own soul. He who keeps understanding will find good." Again, lahat ng bagay ay napag-aaralan. Be as bold as a lion because alam mo namang successful ka na in the field perhaps in 6 months, in 12 months, or so on. It's just a matter of time. Act in confidence with the future that you are envisioning. Every single time na magbibigay ka ng 1 or 2 hours sa domain of wealth creation or business platform na napili mo, then you count it as a win. If you believe that your life will change in 2 to 3 years' time, dramatically sa isang business platform, then investing at least 1 to 2 hours every day minimum to build your discipline of learning is important. Invest in acquiring the wisdom of your destiny. Paano ko sisimulan ang habit of learning if wala akong idea sa isang domain na papasukin ko? May multiple options ka to jumpstart your learning at pwede mo rin itong gawin in sequence or even simultaneously. Number 1 is you can learn by absorbing. Absorb, para kang sponge. Read, you hear testimonies, you watch videos, you meet these people, you listen. Watch the lessons from sharing of practitioners na. The second is learn by observing. Hang out with the people who are doing it actually. Watch beside the practitioners as they actually perform the lessons. Kumbaga, parang intern ka. Then, third, learn by doing. So now, perform or execute the lessons yourself, repeatedly until you achieve familiarity or mastery. So, learn by doing means gawin mo na. I-try mo na ng i-try. This is not to get the result, but to do it correctly. Then, lastly, learn by sharing. Speak about it, demonstrate the lesson to beginners or even to other practitioners. Share mo how you are doing it. Share mo yung actual experience mo. You see, that is going to help you retain the lessons in your heart, not just in your mind. Find your dominant learning habits, but at the same time, intentionally write down every week what do you plan to learn. How much time will you be investing into it? And who are the most accessible mentor or coach that can help you learn effectively and quickly? Ang discipline of learning is a success principle. Sabi nga sa Ecclesiastes 10:10, if the axe is dull and its edge unsharpened, more strength is needed. But skill will bring success. Ang discipline of learning ay masasabi din nating discipline of acceleration or progression. Dahil araw-araw nagbabago ang ating mundo na pag-iiwanan ang mga taong walang habit of learning. Pero kung may discipline of learning ka, pwede mong ma-accelerate ang iyong ginagawa faster than how you used to achieve it before. You don't need to compare yourself with other people. Just compare yourself with yourself previously. Whenever I pursue a new business platform or venture, ina-apply ko ang discipline of learning in the first 90 days in full force. Para sa akin, kumaga, I want to have a crash course in the next 90 days. Learning mode yan for me. Kaya lahat ng possible events na pwede kong mapuntahan at ma-attenan, I will go. Lagi akong sumasama sa mga leaders ko to hear what others are saying. And I took note of them. Kaya in less than 2 months' time, I became very confident and proficient in sharing the information about our product platform. Dahil nalaman ko na sa business platform na ito, mayroong kumita ng 100 million in less than 3 years. May isa sa 75 million net of taxes after 2 years. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, gusto kong i-accelerate yung learning ko. Kaya I applied all 4 learning styles in the shortest time possible. Nag-full-time ako at hindi na ako tumanggap ng consulting projects. Now, I'm not saying na mag-full-time ka. I'm just sharing my own experience on this. The best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn, sabi ni Warren Buffett. Kung ang discipline of believing ang foundation ng discipline of learning, ang discipline of learning naman ang foundation ng next discipline of abundance, which is the discipline of earning. Dahil we only earn from what we have committed to learn. So let's go to the next discipline.